Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads available on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called File Manager. When you find it, click on it. Now select Category at the bottom left corner and click on Downloads over here. Now tap on Downloads again, and as you can see, all of my files that I downloaded are over here. If you want to access one, click on it. Tap on one of those sources, in my case photos, and choose just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!